me. Ow, that hurts. Just ignore him. Hey, ow. I said stop it.
Fatality.
Hey, no, stop it. No, get the fluff off me, you stupid. Can you deal with this for me? Good morning, baby. How's the sleep? Morning, mommy. Oh, happy Mother's Day, and I love you. Aww. I love you too. I have no idea how I got up here. Someone call for help. Help me, guys. Hold on, baby. I'm stuck. I'm coming. Ow. Whoa, this is too high. Whoa. Wait, I tried. I'll call for help instead. Come back. Did he just... Don't go anywhere. Leave me? Help me, human. Get me down from here. I really need to pee. Yeah, that's good. Right there. Okay, my turn now. Just a bit higher. Okay, done. Is that all? Fine. Forget it. Oh, okay then. Ow! What you do that for? Cause you're a filthy. Water is good for you. Now drink, my child. No. Keep drinking. Hey, focus here. The bed is super comfy. Oh, fluff. Okay, never mind. Play with me? Whee! Oh, wait. No. You're not living until you play. As much as I would love to do something productive. Yep. Yeah, I have decided to be alone today. For crying out loud, Bob. Go jog once in a while. Do you mind? Let me just... Not bad. Oh, plenty of room here as well. Get me a smaller one. Goodbye. Wow, oh my god, that was so much fun. I could do this all day. Yeah. Wow. Again. Wow. No, go away. Don't touch that. Get your own bowl. God damn it, Becky. Can you just let me eat in peace? Hey. Put me down. Can't you see I'm busy? Yeah. Okay, now, where was I? Oh, yeah. Goodbye. Look like a butterfly, sting like a bee. Gotta train my hardest so Mabel can fluff around with me. Oh, hey, don't mind me. I'm just watching that bit. My daddy, never bully me again. Finally, revenge is mine. Don't you dare, Genji, or I'll smack the floof out of you. Huh? Who won? Ask him yourself. Obviously, I lost. Plants are not good for training. Guys, can you not? Someone help? Why do I even? This is not helping. Why would this be any different? I guess this is my life now.
Get back here.
Hey, I'm too fast for you.
I'm gonna tickle you easily once I catch you.
Wow.
Get back here.
Okay, wait. Stop. Someone is watching us. Just like normal.
Huh? Oh. Come on, let's go somewhere else.
Hey, wait up. And anyway, Doc told me he's gonna be late. So what do you want to do next? Yeah, walk it, Queen.
Morning, Queen.
You go,
Woo,
Queen.
Queen is here.
Woo, the Queen. Left, right. Oh, Fluff, someone's watching. Act normal. Oh, yeah, not bad. Not bad at all. I look uber fabs in this. Hey, how are you doing? Meow. I love you. Boop. Is this a confession? I love you, Are we married now? Oh my god, someone help me. These things are freaking me out. Oh, no, get me out of here. Oh, I need to be careful here or Jimmy will be mad again. Oh, Fluff. Let me just fix that and hope it doesn't... Oh, wow. This is mind-boggling. Where is the water coming from? It's brilliant. Oops. Did I break it? Why is it not working anymore? Whoa, what? Why is the floor moving? Oh, no. Okay, this is definitely not a good idea. Oh no. Whoa. Help me, Becky, help me. Oh, my nine lives are flashing before my very eyes right now. Somebody, save me! What light through yonder window breaks? Patience, my love, for I shall come to thee once mine own human has gone to work. Romeo, oh Romeo, where art thou, Romeo? 'Tis I, my love. Let us run away into the wild, together, forever! Woohoo, tea time. My favorite time of the day. Whoa. Help me, I'm gonna fall. I'll protect you, don't you worry. They got me. Yeah, I've been training my whole life for this. I got this. Sweet lot of comfort. Here I come! Oh well. Surprise, motherfucker! Give me a hug. Whoa. The red dot is back. I got it.
It was at this moment that he knew. He f***ed up.
Whoa. Help me, Becky. Help me. No, not like this. Not like this. Oh, where is the next one? Is it coming out soon? When is it coming out? Oh, yes, it's out. I'm gonna switch it. I did it. Woohoo! I'm okay. Welcome. Spare me some catnip, kind sir, and I'll let you use the machine. No, I don't wanna go shower. I'm not stinky, I swear. That looks good. Give it to me. Can someone get him another bowl? Cup size and extra large, please. This is good. What is this? I already ordered one for you. Give me back my bowl. Hey, rude. I was eating that. Okay, now give it back to me. Fine. I'll wait for the new one instead. Don't be afraid, baby girl. I won't hurt you. No. You stay away from me. Get away from me. Don't come any closer. Oh no, I need to get out of here. What should I do now? Are you stuck, baby girl? I'm not your baby girl. You're a baby girl. A meow is a terrible thing to waste. You're not catching me alive. Hey, get back here. Yes? Is there something wrong? Am I making you feel uncomfortable? Good. Just keep watching then. You do you.
Are you done yet?
Hush now, just be still. You blinked. No, I did not. Admit it. No. You lose. Hey, no fair. One more time. Alright, let's go. Go away. Aw, please let me in. No. Should we do something about this? You might need to get a job, or one of us has got to go. Just smile and be normal, guys. I'm too cute for this.
Meanwhile,
The people next door are fighting again. Looks like we won't be sleeping tonight. Get the popcorn, Becky. Hey, you want some water too, Becky? Ah, Fluff, forgot the cup again. Never mind, I'll just... This is not working. Can you help me get a cup? You know what? I got this. Much better.